save our time, let me go straight to the point. First off, I already made my pleats, like 3 pleats, and I place on my head while I cross it at the back, right to left, left to right. The division of this style is 50-50, that is equal part before placing and crossing the hand. You see, I'm going to pick up 150 part like this and lay one pleat down, pin it down while I work with the other parts. I did this in order to secure that angle, and I'll be able to work with the other part here. So I'm going to make like 3-4 pleats here. Depending on the length of the material, I can go for 3 or 4, but I think I went for 4. I made 4 pleats and I finally secure it down with a pin again because there is no one to hold for me. It's DIY thing. So after pinning down, you see this remaining flap at the side, I just take it like a fan shape, nothing serious, just place it down like you're making a fan. Then I grab another pin and secure down, roll it a bit. Then the other 50 parts is rolled, twisted like this, direct it to the back of that material there, then secure it finally at the back with a pin. I secure it with 2 pins to make sure it is well secured. Then I come back to the front to adjust the pleated parts, go to the back and roll it, and this is the final outlook. I hope this is helpful. If it is, drop a comment for me, leave a like, and I'll see you soon.